become a data scientist or data analyst without coding. Yes, but there is an important difference between data analyst and data scientist. Data analyst, for the data analyst, you can start with tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL. You don't need advanced programming to begin your journey. And for the data science, coding becomes more important, especially for Python, machine learning, and advanced data analysis. You can start without coding, but to grow as a data scientist, learning Python is highly recommended. So, you can start without coding, but don't stop there. You can learn coding step by step as your skills grow. Want to know the complete roadmap for beginner to data analyst or data scientist for both? Check the detailed link. Video link is in the description. Thank you.